62 million views, 5.7 million views. Here's another one, 19.5 million views. These POV style videos are going viral on TikTok, Instagram, Reels, and also YouTube Shorts. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how you can create videos like this, the POV style videos, with one AI tool in 3 simple steps. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this video. All right, now let's jump into this. I'm going to show you all the steps, and the tool we're going to use is called Blotato. I'm going to have a link below. Yes, I'm an affiliate for this tool, but it is an amazing tool when it comes to creating viral content and viral faceless videos for your social media. So let me log in and I'll show you all the bells and whistles from inside. So once you log in, this is what you're going to see on the inside. There's a lot of features and options here when it comes to repurposing or remixing your content. In this video today, we're going to focus on creating POV style videos. So for that, we're going to go to videos. And then this is where you have 2 options. You can create videos from a template, or you can click here. And then this is where you can write your own script, and Blotato will create a faceless video for you. So now let's take an example. I'm going to take this video right here, the bread with honey, or actually this is a kid from 1200 BC in Egypt. So I'm going to take the first 10 seconds of this video, so 3 different scenes, and we'll recreate that in Blotato in 3 simple steps, and I'll show you how easy and amazing the video turns out to be. All right, let's go to Blotato, and here are the 3 lines that I'm going to use, or the script, the 12-second script. POV, you're a kid in Egypt in 1200 BC. You wake up and eat bread with honey or for breakfast, and then you're playing and messing around in the street. So that is my script. If you scroll down, there are different themes here. You can look at these themes, whichever one you want to use. Let's use the grunge, and then click on generate draft video. So this is our step number 1. We put the script, we select the theme, and then we generate the video. So let's give it a few seconds. All right, here we go. So step number 1 complete, and this is our draft video. You can see I have 3 different images. Here's my image number 1, kid waking up. Here's my image number 2. Let me close this. Eating breakfast with the bread and the honey. It's really neat. And then here's my image number 3, the outside playing. The kid is playing outside. And now we're going to do some storyboarding. We're going to connect the dots. We're going to improve the images, and then we're going to animate these images in this step number 2 and step number 3. And by the way, you may or may not get more images here, just depending on the script that you use, and also the way it generates the video. But I'm going to divide that into the script that I have into 3 different images. We'll recreate these images if needed, and then we'll animate these images. All right, now let's jump into step number 2. Step number 1, script to draft video. And now we're going to storyboard and improve this images and videos or animations here. Now, step number 2, if you click the image here and then go on, you can see the quality of the image, which is pretty decent actually. But you can go to click on regenerate, and now you can use these different models. So Flux Pro Ultra, Flux Chanel, Dev, and then there's Ideogram, Recraft, Luma. And then depending on whichever model you pick, it's going to show you how many credits it will consume to regenerate that image. So if you don't like the image that it automatically generated, you can recreate these images. And in this example, since these are like POV style videos, one of the things you can do is just upload the original image to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you a detailed prompt. And then here is the detailed prompt describing that image from first person's perspective. That's really important because these POV style videos are done in that style. So here's the prompt that ChatGPT generated. So I used this same prompt, copied it, and then pasted here. So here's the same exact prompt that I used from ChatGPT. So in step number 2, you're gonna regenerate your images or generate your images and use one of the models here. One of the tips you can do is you can use a cheaper model. So for example, Flux Chanel, only 1 credit. So you can practice with that. You can do multiple generations so you don't consume or burn out your credits. And then once you're happy with the style, you can jump to a more like a Flux Pro Ultra, or you can also use Luma. Ideogram is also good. So Ideogram consumes 30 credits. So you can do that. And then when you click on regenerate right here, let me see, you can see it properly. There you go. It will regenerate that image. I've already done it, so I'm not going to do it again. But you can do your image 1, and then you can work on your image 2. I'm pretty happy with the image 2. And then you can work on your image number 3, or however many scenes you have. This process again is called storyboarding. You're connecting the dots, you're bringing the images, you're bringing the scenes together to create the full video, to create the full story. All right, that was step number 2. We use the prompt from ChatGPT, the first person perspective POV style prompt, and then we regenerated those images. Now, step number 3. This is where you're gonna add the motions, the animations to these images. And for that, again, what I'm gonna do is actually click on the first image, which is right here, and now click on right here, create animated image. And then you can pick a model that there's actually, my personal favorite is runway. But you can see if you select runway, how many credits it's gonna consume. You can look at Kling, that's another good model. Director, VO, that's a new model from Google, and you can see that's really expensive. So again, the trick you can use is practice or do some generations with the cheaper model, and then you can always use a different one. And again, for the prompt, I'll do the same thing. I'll go back to ChatGPT and use the images, and then say, okay, give me a prompt. I want to do image to video. And ChatGPT will give you that prompt, like a detailed prompt. And now you can use that prompt. Let me actually just copy this. Go back here. I'm going to delete this one. So selected the first image right here. Animate. Paste the prompt. And then you can select whichever model you want to use, and then click on generate. I've already done these video animation generation, so I'll kind of rearrange everything and show you the final video. But you will do it for the first scene, and then you do the same thing for the second scene or the second image, and do it for the third image. I've already done it, so let me rearrange and then show you the final video. All right, here you go. So after arranging everything, the video clip, and by the way, what you see, it's a timeline. So first you see the text, and then the video clips, and then at the bottom you see the images. So if you had images, then you won't see on the top, then you won't see the video. So we want to make sure you arrange everything, just it's like a video editor. All right, one other thing I want to mention, so if you click on this caption right here, now you can do a voice generation. So go back here, and here you have different voice actors, male, different accents. You can generate the voiceover, which I've already done. And now let me play like a few seconds and I'll show you the full video. But this is how you can create the POV style video. So let me actually play a few seconds.
You are kid in Egypt, 1250 BC.
So everything arranged, and it took me like 5 minutes to get all of this put together. And then once you're happy with it, export and then download, and now you can upload to your TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts and go viral, get a lot of views, and make a lot of revenue too from AdSense. All right, let me play the final video for you because I want to show you how awesome this actually looks.
You are kid in Egypt, 1250 BC.
Let me arrange this. I didn't use any background music for this example because I wanted to, I know I'm playing
kid in Egypt
on YouTube for this video. So let me arrange this.
You are kid in Egypt, 1250 BC. You wake up and eat bread with honey for breakfast, playing and messing around in the streets.
Pretty sweet, right? So less than 5 minutes, we were able to, 3 simple steps, we were able to create a POV style videos, the videos that are going viral on accounts like this. So a lot of people are actually posting these videos and getting a lot of organic reach. And then obviously once you have the organic reach, you can monetize in different ways from the platform revenue. And then you can also drive that traffic to your product and services. So that's the formula. That's what people are doing. Again, we use the platform called Blotato. Step number one, I can't talk. Script to draft video. Step number 2, we improved the image generation by using prompts from ChatGPT. And then step number 3, we converted those images into animations. And again, we used prompts from ChatGPT. Any questions about this, the POV style videos? Let me know in the comments below. Again, the tool is called Blotato. Link will be below in the description. It is my affiliate link, but you will absolutely love this tool for videos and also social media repurposing of content. Before you go, like and share so more people can see this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.